One Saturday morning, Daniel pressed his face against the window. Grey clouds had gathered in the sky, and raindrops tapped a steady rhythm on the glass. "Oh no," he sighed. "Now we can't play outside." Just then, his best friend and next-door neighbour, Ethel, skipped onto the porch, holding a bright yellow umbrella. Her eyes sparkled with excitement. "Why not?" she asked. "Rain isn't the end of fun, it's the beginning of an adventure." Ethel tugged Daniel by the hand, and before he could protest, they were outside. The cool rain splashed on their cheeks, making them giggle. "Follow me," Ethel shouted, twirling in circles. Daniel hesitated, but soon he was skipping and stomping in puddles too. Splash, splish, sploosh. Their shoes squelched, their hair dripped, and their laughter echoed through the neighborhood. Even the birds seemed to chirp louder, as if joining their rainy day dance. At the bottom of the hill, they discovered a giant puddle. "It's not a puddle, it's a lake," Daniel declared. He grabbed a stick and pretended it was a fishing rod, while Ethel plucked a shiny green leaf and placed it gently on the water. "Look, it's a boat, let's race them." Soon they were dropping more leaves, cheering as their boats bobbed and floated along the raindrops. One boat spun in circles, another tipped over, and one glided smoothly across the puddle lake. As they explored, Daniel spotted something wiggly. "Look, Ethel, worms!" Tiny worms wriggled out of the wet soil, crawling across the ground like a slow parade. "They're stretching after the rain," Ethel explained wisely. "It's like they're having their own adventure." The children knelt down to watch, giggling as the worms squiggled and squirmed. "March on, little soldiers," Daniel laughed. After a while, the rain grew heavier again. Ethel opened her umbrella, and Daniel had an idea. "Let's build a fort." They leaned the umbrella against the porch steps and added another one from the garage. Using sticks and a raincoat, they created a tiny, rainy day hideout. Inside, they sat cross-legged, listening to the raindrops patter like a drumming band above them. "It feels like we're explorers in the rainforest," Ethel whispered. "Or pirates hiding treasure," Daniel added. At last the rain softened to a drizzle, and sunlight peeked through the clouds. The air smelled fresh, like flowers and grass had taken a bath. Ethel gasped and pointed to the sky. "Daniel, look!" Stretching across the clouds was a glowing rainbow, shining in every color. "It's like the sky painted us a picture," Daniel whispered in awe. Ethel nodded. "See? Rain isn't just about getting wet, it's about fun, laughter, and surprises." Dripping wet but full of joy, Daniel and Ethel ran back to the porch. Their parents were waiting with warm towels and mugs of hot chocolate. Wrapped in coziness, Daniel grinned at Ethel. "You were right, rainy days are magical." Ethel sipped her cocoa with a satisfied smile. And the best part, adventures are always better when we share them. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!